morning guys, it's our day 3 here in Boracay. So kaigising lang natin at tapos na tayo mag-freshen up. Nakapag-shower na rin tayo. So ngayon, samahan niyo akong bumaba para mag-breakfast. Tara! Tingin. Let's go down. Look at the lighting. So guys, this is their juices for today. The Landan, orange, mango, 4 seasons. So I think I'm gonna grab mango. Mango. Going towards it now. Mango. Alright guys, so let's eat our breakfast. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa breakfast buffet ng Dulin Boracay. And I did grab this for my breakfast. So let's start to eat. But first, we need to drink our water because you know, drink your water, bitch.
So are the more black minute?
Now, let's try first the garlic kangkong. You should try this. The vegetable. It's called garlic kangkong.
Oh, then you're walking close.
So,
Oh, yeah, he's back around there. Well, yeah, if you're in the Philippines, you can get a banquet. Something's wrong. Something's wrong.
tapos na tayo mag-breakfast ngayon. Pumunta lang ako dito sa may beachfront in front of our hotel. And grabe talaga dito sa Boracay guys, no? Napakaganda ng sun, napaka-pino, tignan nyo. This is what I like about Boracay. Diba? Super pino ng sun, tapos ang sarap lang mag-chill. By the way, it's currently 8:45 in the morning. So tamang-tama lang para mag-chill. Tapos ang ganda talaga, ang ganda ng view, guys. Tingnan niyo. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Ang sarap mag-swim kaso may araw. Ayaw mangitim kasi meron pang next trip coming February. So yan. Just enjoying the view. Napakaganda dito sa Dulin, Boracay. It's located at Station 1. Pinakadulo na siya ng Station 1. Not really at the end, pero pinakadulong resort na to. Katabi ng resort ni Heart Evangelista na Harbal. There. Super nice. And ang ganda, sarap lang mag-chill. So mag-picture-picture tayo. Tara, picture-picture muna tayo. Look at the sun. Ah! Perfect. Horse! Guys, ang ganda dito. Ang saya dito sa Station 1. Marjorie, shout out. Tara na, balik na tayo. O Angela, balik tayo dito. Ang ganda. Gusto ko pang maglakad na mas malayo. Sarap pag umaga, napakababaw ng tubig. It's nice. Grabe guys, wala masyadong tao. Ang saya. Look. Look. Tara na guys. Marjorie, Angela. Lakad pa tayo na mas malayo. Tignan natin hanggang saan tayo makakarating. Sobrang babaw. Ang saya. Tsaka guys, nakapaa ako. Inalis ko yung sandals ko. Kasi ang pinyo ng sand. Sarap maglakad. Perfect. Gusto ko maligo kaso guys, vlogging is life. Wala naman tayong tagahawak ng camera. Cause I'm all alone. Charot. Alone nga ba? Comment down below kung mag-isang nga ako dito. May iniwala ba kayo guys na solo lang ako dito sa Boracay? Kung naniniwala kayo, like and share. Kung hindi kayo naniniwala, comment down below. It's for you to see. Well, anyway. You know, private life is a happy life. You don't need to share all of the happenings. So, again, masaya ulit ako na nakabalik ko ulit sa Boracay. It's my second time here. The first time I visited Boracay last 2022 during pandemic era. But now, I'm happy to be back. So, upo na muna tayo. Kasi, ang sarap mag-relax. By the way guys, katabi lang ng Dalin Boracay yung resort ni Heart Evangelista. It's called Harbal, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong. So just comment down below. This is our hotel. The Lind. This is the facade beachfront. So guys, mag-enjoy muna ako na maglakad-lakad. Pero baka tomorrow na lang tayo mag-swim. For now, chill-chill lang. And then update ko kayo later. See you later! So nakapagbihis na tayo ng rash guard and I decided to go on a swim for today kasi guys, sayang naman ng oras. So let's go down! Right guys, nandito na tayo sa baba to do some swimming. Oh, there. I find my spot. Over there. Whee! That's my spot and nobody can take it. Charot. Kala mo ano no? Pero hindi nga guys, ito yung magandang spot. So, so private. I took my spot. Yeah, here. This is my spot in the middle. Nobody can take it. This is mine. All mine. So first, photo shoot before we dip into the pool. Hi guys! So I'm already here, the pool, relaxing. Kasi yung mga tao nasa breakfast pa. So let's take this opportunity to swim and have the pool all alone for us. So yun, enjoy lang muna tayo. So good guys. Grabe. Chill. Chill. And just like that guys, so end ko na muna tong video and I will enjoy the rest of the time, the rest of the minute this morning. So mag-swim na muna ako guys. Okay, balikan ko kayo. Okay. So I need to do some swimming. Iniingatan ko rin tong DJI para hindi siya mabasa. Kasi guys, pag ito nabasa, wala na tayong pang vlog. Yun. See ya!